Am I audible now? Okay, now we are learning this week. This week we are learning patterns. You know this, right? Okay, tell me now. Now practice lab questions, whatever I have given. How do you feel? If you practice patterns, can you able to do it or not? Good, superb, done. So till yesterday we were learning little bit basics. Means what? Easy patterns we were discussing. Okay. Now we will continue little bit higher level. Higher level patterns. Okay now. Here we go. Okay. This notes also I have given you already here. Okay, good. Done. Nice. These three rules, if you remember, then you can print any of the four patterns very easily. Okay. Now 22 patterns over. Let's move to 23 now. 23. Pattern number 23. Just give me a minute. I will just delete this. Insert table. How many columns I need for the next question? 9. 5 rows. You have to ask anyhow rows and you have to ask number of rows from user only. But for your understanding, I'm just giving you. Listen. Here first space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, then star. Then again here star, star, star. Okay, good. So here we go. This one. How do you do this? So from today we are going to understand different way of coding. From today we are going to understand different way of coding. This different type is going to be very easy for you. If you do not understand, you can ask me. Okay, shall I start explaining now? Hello. Shall I start? You should respond properly, then you are there in your own world. So here we go. Perfect. So I will declare two variables. Listen. I will take two variables. One variable is called int space. This variable is used to print the spaces. This space variable is used to print the spaces. Space variable is used to print what? Spaces. Okay, then get back here now. I will declare one more variable. Int star. Int star is equals to, listen. This star variable is used to print stars. Okay, two variables I am taking, space as well as star. Now you have to concentrate only on the first row. You have to concentrate only on the first row. Tell me now, in the first row, how many spaces are there? How many spaces are there? 8 spaces are there. Correct now? Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? Everyone understood? Now the point is what? Listen. If you don't print right side spaces also, if you don't print these spaces also, doesn't matter. Yes or no? I told you or not? Listen, one more clue I will very easily give you. Before the star, if you have space, you should print it. Why, sir? If you don't print this space, what happens, Star will fall to the left side. Do you understand? If you don't print those spaces, star will move towards the left side. That is a problem. But listen now. After the star, if you have space, if you don't print also, no problem. Because already star is towards the left only, no? Do you understand what am I saying? Star is already towards the left. Again, it will not fall towards the left. Do you understand? Very simple statement. If spaces are there before the stars, you should print the space. If spaces are there after the stars, see, if you want to print, you print it. No, sir, I don't want to print, you leave it, because that doesn't affect the pattern or it doesn't affect the output. Did you understand now? Okay, now what I do, according to this, I will not consider spaces after the stars. So now for me, I will concentrate only on this much. Because right side spaces I will not print. Okay, I have to change the color. Here we go. Right side spaces I will not, only this much I will concentrate. In the first row, look at here, in the first row, how many spaces are there? How many spaces are there? 4. The remaining 4 are not important to us. I'm not going to print those. So I will have 4 space. In the first row, how many stars are there? How many stars are there? 1 star. Okay. This is how you have to initialize the variables. Slowly I will tell you. Initialize the space variable with number of spaces which are there in the first row only. That too before the stars. Because after the star spaces, you don't have to print. Okay, now? Then, in first row, how many stars are there? That you are going to initialize with the star. Is it clear now? Okay, now look at here everyone. So now, what is happening with the spaces? I will just tell you. Listen. First row, how many space? 4. Very good. Second row, how many space? Very nice. Third row, how many space? Last row, how many space? And in the last one, there is no space only. You know it. Correct? What is happening to the spaces? You see, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is happening to the spaces? Minus, correct? Space minus, correct or not? Yes. What is happening with respect to stars, you tell me? Stars, what with respect to stars? 1 star, then you have suddenly 3 stars, then you have suddenly 5 stars, then you have suddenly next is what? 7 stars, then you have at last 9 stars. Observe the number here. 2, 4, no, not 2. I'm sorry, it's not 2. What is this? 1, no. 1 plus 2 is okay. Here you have 1 star, here you have 3 stars, 5 stars, 7 stars and 9 stars. What is happening with respect to stars? Increasing or decreasing? Increasing by 1 or increasing by 2 2? 2 2. So I will write plus is equals to 2. So from one row to another row, spaces are reducing. From one row to another row, stars are increasing by 2 2. Is it clear now? Shall I start tracing now? Here we go. Listen. I will print spaces. How many spaces are there? 4 spaces are. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces printed. Yes. After that, how many stars are there? You observe only these values. Okay. How many stars are there? 1 star. One star is. So 1 star is printed. Is it clear now? Then we will go to next line. Because first row is completed now. Yes. Before I go to second row, before I go to second row, I will perform these operations. What are space minus minus? Space value will become what? 3. Star plus is equals to 2. Means you should add 2 to star. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 star value is what? 3. Means in the next row. In the next row. How many spaces? 3 space. How many stars? 3 stars. That you should remember. Okay. So I came to the next line. What is the space value? Sir, 3 sir. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Fantastic. How many stars are there? 3 stars. So I should print 3 stars. Star 1, star 2 and star 3. Before I go to next row again. Before I go to next row, what I will do? Space minus minus. So 4 is there now. 3 is there now. 3 minus minus is what? Very good. Then what about star? Star plus is equals to 2. Star should increase by 2. Okay na? 3 plus 2. 5. So इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of it? Next row में 2 spaces चाहिए और 5 stars चाहिए. Correct only ना? In the next row I need 2 spaces and 5 stars. So I move to the next row. Space value is what? 2. So I will print 2 space. Star value is what? 5. So I have to print 5 stars. Star 1. Here it is 2, 3. This is 4 and 5. Is it clear now? Again I have to go to new line. But before I go to new line, I have to perform the operations here. What is that? What is that? Space minus minus. 2 minus minus is what? Very nice. Star is there now. Star plus 2. 5 plus 2. So meaning of this is what? In next row, 1 space and 7 stars. Now I have to go with 1 space and I have to go for 7 stars. So I came to the next line. What is the space? Sir, only 1 space you have to write. Okay, 1 space I have printed. How many stars now? 7 stars I have to print. 2, 3, another 4, another 2. Okay, here I have printed all this. Now I have to go to the next row. But before I go to next row, I have to perform the operations. Space minus minus. So 1 minus minus 0. Star plus 2. So 7 plus 2 9. So 0 spaces. How many stars? 9 stars. So how many space I have to print? 0 means space will not be printed. How many stars now? 9 stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you got the pattern. That's it. Simple. Is it clear now? Do you understand now? I will take 2 variables. One as space, another one as stars. So first I will initialize the space. That is valid spaces. Valid spaces means what? Before the stars, how many space I have, that I will be using now. So 4 valid spaces I have and only 1 star in the first row. If you observe spaces, 4 first, then it is 3 space, then it is 2 space, then it is 1, then it is 0. What is happening to the spaces here? Spaces are reducing. That's why space minus minus. What happened to the star? 1 star, 3 stars, then 5 stars, then 7 stars, then 9 stars. Stars are increasing. That's why star plus is equals to 2, not plus plus. If you do plus plus, what happens? Stars will increase only by 1 1. Like 1, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. I don't want like that. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 I need. So stars should increase by 2. This logic everyone understood now? Everyone understood, everyone? Okay, just give me a minute. I am going to show you how I will be writing. Don't type anything. Listen first. Don't type anything. Listen first. Pattern number is what? 20? 23 now. Okay, import space java dot util dot scanner. Class name is what? Pattern 23. I'll be saving this. Oh, it is there? No, just give me a minute. 24 I will make it. Not there. Okay, perfect. 24. Here we go inside the main method. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner. Okay. Inside the bracket system dot in you are going to write. Then I will be asking user to enter number of rows. I will be asking user to enter number of rows. So int r is equals to sc dot next int. You got the number of rows. Okay, ready? Listen. Scanner SC. Okay, here we are getting so number of rows and number of spaces. Let me get back here. Listen, how many rows are there? How many rows are there in this pattern? 5 rows are there. How many space value in the beginning? 4 space. How do you find how many rows, sorry, how many spaces will be there or spaces should be there based on the row number? 5 rows means 4 spaces. 6 rows means 5 spaces. 7 rows means 6 spaces. You can able to understand or not? See, here I have 5 rows. Because of 5 rows, I am going to print in this pattern 4 spaces. Correct? Do you understand, everyone? So, same logic I am going to use it here while considering all these things. Okay? As of now, I will be starting with for int I is equals to what? 1. I is less than equals to how many rows? R. How many rows? R. So, I plus plus. You got number of rows? Clear now? So, before this, I have to declare how many space and how many stars. Very nice. Come on, tell me. Int space is equals to 4 space, 5 space, R space, or R minus 1. R minus 1. Just wait. How many of you not understood line number 8? Why R minus 1, sir? 5 rows means 4 space. 6 rows means 5 space in the first row. So 7 rows means 6 spaces, like that. N minus 1 spaces will be there in the beginning in the pattern. How many of you not understood why n minus 1? Very nice then, whole class is beautiful. Let's continue. After this, one more variable, int star is equals to, star value is what? See, whatsoever the number of rows, always 1 star will be there on the top, no? How many of you not understood why star value is 1? See, let it be any number of rows. So top row will have only 1 star, no? Single star, no? Understood or not understood, everyone? Okay, very nice, good. Okay, listen. This for loop, why I have taken? You should know the reason. Why this for loop? For number of rows. Okay, now this outer for loop is for what? Number of rows. Now listen, like take a loop to print spaces. If you come back here, observe now, if space is 4, space value is 4, I have to print 4 spaces now. Then star value is something like 3 or 1 or like that. I have to print stars also now. So what I do, I will take a separate loop for printing space. I will take a separate loop for printing stars. Do you remember this? Okay, good. Listen. Take a loop to print spaces. For loop int. You don't use j and all because you will get confused. Don't use j and all. You use abc like this. Okay, for printing spaces. For int a is equals to 1, a is less than equals to, what are we printing? Space followed by a plus plus. Is it clear now? What you should print in this? System.out.print, not ln. Print. What you should print? Space 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Done. So we have printed spaces. After printing the space, what we have to print? Stars also we have to print. Yes or no? Okay, here we go. Again, take a loop to print stars. Okay, good. For loop int b is equals to 1, b is less than equals to star. Very good. Followed by b plus plus. Inside this we are going to print system.out.print star. We are going to print. Is it clear now? Okay, come on. We have printed stars, we have printed spaces. After this we have to go to new line. After this we have to go to new line. Okay, system.out.println. But before you go to new line, you have to do something. What is that something? Can anyone tell me? What is that something? Space minus star plus is equals to 2. Space should reduce and star should increase. So let's get back to here now. I'll just hide this one. Here we go. Come on. Before this, what happened to the space? Space minus. Correct? Okay, then star, once again, star plus is equals to 2. Means stars will increase by 2. Do you know plus is equals to symbol? Combinational operator. Good, superb. That's it. So let us run the code. No spelling mistakes, thank God. So here we go. 6 rows or 5 rows that I have explained. 5 only now. So I'll click on it. So automatically we'll get like this. Suppose if I give in the place of 5, I need 10 rows. So you will be getting 10 rows. Is it clear now? Even after telling like this, you may have some doubt in tracing. Sir, tracing kaise ho raha hai, sir? Okay. Those who understood, start executing. Sir, I did not understand. Listen the tracing. Do you understand? Those who got it already, see, almost 30 to 40% of the people you might have already got it. So remaining 60% of the people you might have not understood. Like you understood, but like how internally it works, I don't know, sir. So that is the reason I am tracing now. Listen. Listen, everyone. Listen. Observe now those who need tracing, you see. Imagine user gave you 5 rows he asked. What is space value? 5 minus 1. What is that? Space value is 4. Any doubts in this? Star value is what? 1. Any doubts in this? For tracing I am writing like this. For tracing purpose only. So initial space value is 4. Initial star value is 1. Are you ready for this now? Shall I start tracing now? Okay. Now I value is what now? 1. Meaning we are there in first row. We are there in first row. What happens with respect to this? This is the for loop which will print spaces. This is the for loop which will print spaces. Okay. A value starts from where? 1. 1 less than or equals to. What is the space value? What is the space value? 1 less than equals to 4. Correct? So एक space print हो गया. Correct? Then we will move to A++. We are still there in the inner loop only. Once we come out of the inner loop, then we go to next loop. No. So we are there in A++. Okay, now what is A value? New A value. What is new A value? 2. Okay, good. Listen. 2 less than or equals to 4. True or false? Yes. So one more space is printed in the same line because ln is not there. So again we went back to A++. A++. What is the new A value? New A value is what? 3. Listen. 3 less than or equals to 4. Correct? Yes. So one more space value printed. Again A increased A value. New A value is what? New A value 4. Very good. You have to respond. Those who are listening, speak. Okay. 4 less than equals to 4. Correct? Yes, sir. So one more space is printed. So हमारा काम यहाँ हो गया. मतलब space print करने का काम हो गया. 4 space print करना था, so हम print कर दिया. Do you understand now? We are supposed to print 4 spaces, so 4 spaces we have printed. So space job is done. Correct or not? Then again A increases. A value will become what now? 5. You all know that 5 less than equals to 4. Correct? False. We'll come outside. So spaces printed. Now we will come outside. We will go to another loop. What is this another loop now? This loop is used for printing stars. Let us check how it is going to work now. B value is what now? 1. 1 less than or equal to. Star value is what? Look at here. Star value is what? 1. 1 less than equals to 1. Correct? 1 less than equals to 1. Correct? Yes, correct. So you will print what? Star. Then from here B increases. Yes or no? B increases. B value will become what? B value will become 2. Think now. Just think. 2 less than or equals to 1. False. We will come out of this false. That means what? We are supposed to print only 1 star. So we printed it. Correct? We are supposed to print only 1 star. So we printed it. Correct? Now listen. Space. Next line. Next line is what? Space minus minus. Space minus minus means what? Space value will become what? 3. Any doubts in this? Next line is what? Star plus is equals to 2. Star value will become what? 3. Any doubts in this? Okay, what is this next line? System out of print ln. Means it will bring the cursor to the new line or next line. Do you understand now? Where is the cursor? So cursor is there in the next line now. Cursor is there in the next line. Now you will go back to I++. Now you will go back to I++. Now I value was 1 here. Now I++ is what? I++ is what? 2. Meaning Now we entered second row. All this happened only in first row. Now we are going to second row. I value is what now? 2. Ready? For tracing, everyone ready now? Very good. So here we go. Tracing, I will continue now here. Okay. Get back here now. 2 less than equals to 5? Yes. So we are moving to second row. What is A value? A value will start from here. A value is what now? 1. Space value is what? 3. Very good. So 1 less than equal to 3, correct? Yes. So 1 space printed. Again A increases. A increases. A value is what now? 2. A value is what now? 2. 2 less than equal to 3, correct? Yes. 1 more space printed. Correct. Again we will go to A increment. A increment. What is the new A value? What is the new A value? 3. 3 less than equal to 3, correct? Yes, sir. So what happened? 1 more space is printed. Again A increases. What is the new A value? 3 or 4? 4. 4 less than equal to 3 na? No, sir. So space printed. Space का काम हो गया. So now we will come back to star loop. Again B value starts from where? 1. 1 less than or equal to, what is the star value? What is the star value? 3. 1 less than equal to 3, correct? Yes, sir. So 1 star printed. Then again B increases. What is the new B value? What is the new B value? 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, correct? Yes, sir. So 1 more star is printed. Again B increases. New B value. New B value. 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, correct? Yes, sir. So 1 more star is printed. Correct? Then again after this, what is the next line? Space minus. So space value will become 2. Star plus is equals to 2. So 3 plus 2 is what? 5. Then what is this? New line. So cursor will come to the next line like this. Cursor will come to the next line. Okay, now again we will go back to, where? I plus plus. We will go back to where now? I plus plus. I plus plus. What is I value? Previously it was 2. Now it became 3. I value became 3. I value 3 means what it is? Third row. Now we entered third row. Listen. Now we entered third row. Again the same process. Ready? Are you ready for tracing? Okay, good. Super. So here we go. 3 less than equals to 5, correct? Yes. Enter. So again we have to print the spaces. A value starts from 1. 1 less than equal to, what is the space value? 2. So 1 less than equal to, correct? Yes, sir. So 1 space. Again A increases. A value will become what now? 2. A value will become what now? 2. 2 less than or equal to 2, correct? Yes. Again we will print 1 more space. Again A increases. A value is going to become now what? 3. Listen. 3. 3 less than or equals to 2 na? No, sir. So space is gone. Space job is done. Now we will come back to for loop where we will print stars. Okay, B value starts from where? 1. Star value is what? 5. Okay. 1 less than equals to 5, correct? Yes. So you will print 1 star. Again B increases. B value is what now? 2. 2 less than equals to 5, correct? Yes, sir. Print again 1 more star. Again B increases. New B value is what now? 3. New B value is what now? 3. 3 less than equals to 5, correct? Yes, sir. Okay, 1 more star you print. Again B increases. What's the new B value? 4. 4 less than equals to 5, correct? Yes, sir. So 1 more star is printed. Again B increases. B value is what now? 5. 5 less than equals to 5, correct? Yes, sir. What happens? 1 more star is printed. Again B increases. B becomes what? 6. 6 less than equals to 5, correct? False. So finally 2 space 5 stars printed. 2 space 5 stars printed. Everyone understood this much? Clear now? Again, what is this? Space minus. Space value will become what? 1. Star plus is equals to 2. So 5 plus 2. So that means in the next row 1 space and 7 stars. That's what. So again new line. So cursor will come to the new line. From here we will go back to I increment. New I value is what? 4. New I value is what? 4. That means we are moving to 4th row. We are moving to where? Fourth row. Are you ready now? Shall we start tracing for the fourth row? Are you understood? I will not leave you. I value is what? 4. I will trace. Tomorrow you will ask me in the lab, sir, can you explain me, sir? That's why I will kill you tomorrow if you ask me. Same question if you ask me, definitely I will kill you. Here we go. A value is what now? Again, 1. Space value is what now? 1. 1 less than equals to 1, correct? Yes. So 1 space we have printed. Then again A increases. New A value 2. 2 less than or equals to 1, true or false? False. So it will come outside. Only 1 space printed. Now, what is the B value? B value starts from 1. What is the star value? 7. So 1 less than equal to 7? Yes. Print star. Then B increases. New B value is 2. 2 less than equal to 7? Yes, sir. Print second star. Again B increases. New B value is 3. 3 less than equal to 7, correct? Yes, sir. Again third star is printed. B increased. New B value is 4. New B value is what? 4. 4 less than equal to 7, correct? Yes, sir. So star printed. Again B value is increased. B value is increased. New B value is 5. So 5 less than equal to 7, correct? Yes. Again star will be printed. B increased. New B value is what? 6. 6 less than equal to 7, correct? Yes, sir. Print star value. Again B increased. New B value is what? 7. 7 less than equal to 7, correct? Yes, sir. Print 7 star. Again B increases. B will become what now? 8. 8 less than equal to 7, correct? 8 less than equal to 7, correct? No, sir. So it will come outside. What's going to happen here now? Space minus minus. Space value will become what? 0. Then star plus is equal to 7 plus 2. 9. So this is also gone. This is also gone. Okay now. Then new line. So we will be moving to the new line. From here again I value increases. What is the new I value you got? 5. What is the new I value you are going to get? It is 5. 5 less than or equals to 5, true or false? Yes. I value 5 means we are moving to 5th row. We are moving to 5th row. Okay, now continue. A value is what? 1. 1 less than equal to space value is what? 0. 1 less than equal to 0, correct? No. 1 less than equal to 0, correct? No. So no space. Directly we will go to next loop. B value is what now? 1. 1 less than or equals to 9? Yes. Print star. Then B increases. New B value is 2. 2 less than equal to 9, correct? Yes. Second star. Again B increases. New B value is 3. 3 less than equal to 9, correct? Yes, sir. So third star. Again B increases. New B value is 4. 4 less than equal to 9, correct? Yes, sir. So print fourth star. Then again B increases. New B value is 5. 5 less than equal to 9, correct? Yes. Fifth star printed. Again B increases. B value will become what? New B value is what? 6. 6 less than equal to 9, correct? Yes. Again B increases. B value is 7. I got tired. 7 less than equal to 9. Yes. Print star. B increases. New B value is what? I lost energy. What to do? 8 less than equal to 9, correct? Yes. One more star. Then B increases. Last B value is 9. 9 less than equal to 9, correct? Yes. One more star printed. Then again B increases to 10. 10 less than equal to 9, correct? No. You will come outside. So space minus minus. Space value will become minus 1. Star value will become 11. Then will come to new line and I increases. At last I value is what? 6. 6 less than equals to 5, correct? No. So it will come outside. This is how the pattern will be printed. First loop for printing spaces. Second loop for printing stars. And after printing spaces and stars, decrease the space and increase the star by 2. Come on, do it. Execute it. Make it quick. Come on, execute now. Drink water. By listening you got tired. Please drink water, monkeys. Come on, close it up. Make it quick. Sir, why you have given this much time for this, sir? See, next 4 programs are similar. There I will not explain. That is the reason. For all the 4 programs, one explanation gone. Easy. That is the reason. Come on, execute now. Make it quick. क्वाड्रेंट है ना, कल प्रोग्राम्स हमने किए थे ना, उसमें क्या होगा, अगर सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में आप स्पेस नहीं प्रिंट करोगे आपको फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट आ जाएगा। ऐसे ही आप व्हाट इज दैट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में आप स्पेस नहीं प्रिंट करोगे आपको फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट आ जाएगा। सेम थिंग इट इज। एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस देना है ना, उसमें हर एक नंबर में दो दो कैरेक्टर्स है ना। भाई 3 9 is 27. Yeah, that 27 is not a prime number. You are correct. Your code is correct. हाँ, 3 स्पेस। हाँ ओके, वाई वी आर प्रिंटिंग 3 स्पेस। अगर सोचो स्टार हम प्रिंट कर रहे हैं, एक स्टार से पहले एक स्पेस है और स्टार के बाद भी एक स्पेस है, मतलब हम 3 कैरेक्टर्स प्रिंट कर रहे हैं। पहले एक स्पेस है और बीच में स्टार है, लास्ट में और एक स्पेस है। ओके ना। जब हम स्पेस प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं, मतलब ये एक्चुअल स्पेस है, एक्चुअल स्पेस से पहले एक स्पेस रहना चाहिए और एक्चुअल स्पेस बाद भी एक स्पेस रहना चाहिए। सो कितना स्पेस हो गया अब? 3 स्पेस हो गया, जस्ट टू मेंटेन द प्रोपोर्शनलिटी। वो प्रोपोर्शन मेंटेन करने के लिए स्पेस से पहले एक स्पेस और स्पेस से बाद एक स्पेस हो, कुल कुल मिल के 3 स्पेस हो जाएगा, इसलिए यू हैव टू गो विथ 3 स्पेस। पैटर्न ओके, स्टार्स। आई थॉट इट इज स्टार्स पैटर्न। हाँ Okay, is it done? Everyone finished this? Got it, everyone? Everyone finished the execution here? Got the answer? Okay, good. Nice then. We will be moving to the next question now. We will be moving to the next question now. Okay, ready? Yeah. Next question, here we go. Listen. Ulta, inverted. Same program, but it is inverted. Ulta. Listen, I will tell you first. Later you can do it. Question, did you understand, everyone? Understand the question? Same question, just it is inverted. Listen. Same question and answer is also same, but you have to do some slight change. In the first row, how many spaces are there? Very good, very good. How many spaces are there? So space value is what now? 0. Space value is what? 0. Is it clear? How many stars are there in the first row? How many stars are there? 9 stars. How are you getting 9 from 5? Into 2 minus 1? From 5, how do you get 9? 5 into 2. So 10 minus 1. 5 into 2 minus 1. So listen. Stars, how do you calculate? R into 2 minus 1. R into 2 minus 1. Any doubts in this? R into 2 minus 1. Any doubts in this? 10 rows means 10 into 2, 20. 20 minus 1, 19 rows you will get. Do you understand, everyone? Got it? Any doubts in this? Okay, good. Super. Everything is correct. Space minus is there now. Make it plus plus. Star plus is equals to is there now. Make it minus is equals to. Over, sir? Over. That's simple. Compilation, then execution. I will give 5 rows. So automatically you will get inverted. Very simple. I will not trace this now. Because I have already traced the previous one now. Same logic. Just I am changing rows and columns. Come on, do it. Execute it. Very easy. Come on, execute it. Don't do how I have done just now. Rewrite the program, okay? I will kill you if you do the same change in the same program. Come on, execute this. Now, some other monkey will be there. When I come here now, in between you, they will ask, sir, why R into 2, sir? Now, once again, I am asking, is there anybody who has doubt why R into 2? No? Then. Number of rows into 2 minus 1. You can give any number of rows now. It will work. Can you able to understand now? Okay, good. Because you were absent, no? That's why I'm asking. Got the output? Very good. Got the output? Do it. Spaces are 0 in the first row. That is the reason space is equal to 0. Okay, why it is happening, you know? Spaces are not increasing and stars are not decreasing. Spaces are not increasing. See, this is not happening. Space plus plus star minus is equals to is not happening. Space 0, star is equals to 2 times of r minus 1. Space plus plus star minus is equals to 2. If you finish execution, start helping your friends. Check whether your friend is doing correctly or not. If they are not listening to you, give one headshot. You are going ahead. Good. You have done now. Got the answer, everyone here? See, once if you get the logic, you should help your friends also to do it. Two into r. You are asking why 2 into r. Okay. See, now imagine there are 5 rows are there. I need 9 stars. So आप 5 से 9 कैसे ला सकते हो? So 5 into 2 करेंगे, you will get 10. But I want only 9. So it is minus 1. So if they give 6 rows, 6 into 2 is what? 12. So 12 minus 1 is going to be, why minus 1? Because in that minus 1 place, I will print star actually. In the place of minus 1, why I am doing minus 1? Because in that place I will print star. That is the reason. So 6 rows, 6 into 2 minus 1. Nothing but 11 spaces in the beginning. Like that. Sorry, 11 stars. Correct. 11 stars. You did not understand that? No, execute करो, मैं बोलता हूँ आपको एक बार. Okay? You are getting 6 now? 6 means how many stars you need here? You are not getting here, no? Then where is the problem? Your code is not correct. Just check. Row is equals to 0. Right. Space 0 na? Star is equals to 2. Row into 2 minus 1 you do it. I will tell you. Row into 2 minus 1. Minus 1. Execute this. See, listen. When you give 6, how many stars you want? That is very, very important. 6 into 2 is what? 12. 12 minus 1? 11. So here there will be 11 columns. That is why into 2 minus 1. If you give 5, no, 5 into 2 minus 1. So 9 columns. If you give 7, 7 into 2, 14. 14 minus 1, 13. So 13 columns. Like that it is. Columns we are identifying means nothing but number of stars. You are doing it, everyone? You are getting the answer? It's very nice. Good. That much very big pattern. Gullies. You check those spaces, extra space you have given. Just check. There. Everyone got the answer here? We are getting the answer? Good, good. Are you getting the answer output, everyone? Okay, good. Got the answer, everyone? Shall we go to the next question? Hey, gullies. Get ready for the next pattern. Shall I go with this next pattern? Pattern number 24 25 26 25 I think. 26 okay. Pattern number 26. It's okay, whatsoever problem. Listen, listen, listen. Star. Star, star. Star, star, star. Same pattern it is, just I have tilted like this. Same, listen, if this is the pattern, okay, if this is the pattern, what I have done, I just tilted like this. Same pattern it is, just I tilted like this. Now, how to do it? Rotate the laptop. Sir, when you flip the pattern, why I should not return? You print the same pattern. If anybody comes and checks, they'll say, hey, this is not the pattern. Sir, rotate. Now you got it. No, not like that. Great fellows you are. Okay, here we go. Let us write this how it works. Okay, listen everyone, listen everyone, listen everyone. Shall I start explaining now? Hey, here we have to use if else. Here we have to use if else, or you can use conditional operator also, but that is not enough for you here. Listen everyone. You all know that stars increasing or decreasing, you think no? 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars and 5 stars. Stars are increasing or decreasing? Increasing, no, decreasing they are. 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star. Stars are increasing or decreasing? Increasing as well as decreasing. Do you understand now? Okay, one more thing. Do I have to print these spaces? Because after the stars, if we have to print spaces, that is not required for us. Correct or not? Because space is there, if you do not print, that doesn't affect. Okay, our target is what? Listen. Star should increase up to half of the way. Star should increase up to half of the way, then star should start decreasing. Correct? Yes or no? That's what we need, right? Okay, listen now. Listen. 1 to 2 increment. 2 to 3 increment. Listen, otherwise you will ask 1000 doubts. 3 to 4 again increment. 4 to 5 again increment. Then 5 to 4 decrement. Very good. 4 to 3 decrement. 3 to 2 decrement. 2 to 1 decrement. So what is happening? 4 times you are increasing. 4 times you are increasing the stars and 4 times you are decreasing the stars. Listen. 4 times you are increasing the stars and 4 times you are decreasing the stars. Did you understand now this much? So for this I am going to write the program. First observe. First you observe. Later on whatever you want you can do it. Here anything, almost all everything is same up to here. Since I am little bit fast, I will copy paste. Pattern number what? 25. I will save this. So I have asked row number also. Come on, listen. Row number we have asked. Number of rows. Okay. Then how do you? No. One minute. Number of rows, it is clear now. Stars. Int star is equals to. How many stars are there in the first row? How many stars are there in the first row? If I give 10 rows, 1. Do you understand what am I saying? But please remember this. If you give odd number of rows, that is why you are getting point in the dot. If you give even number of rows, you will not get exact pattern. Okay, don't worry. I will be talking about all these things. So int star is equals to what? 1. So then as usual, take a loop for loop. What's that? Rows. Int I is equals to what? I is less than equals to what? R. Very good. I plus. Inside this you have to take a loop. Take a loop to print what? Space up, star. Space or star? Why not space? No need to print space. And if you observe closely, this is right side of the y-axis. See the diagram. That triangle, is it right side of the y-axis or left side of the y-axis? So in the right side of the y-axis, do you have to print space? No, that's the point. Okay, let's get back here. Take a loop to print stars. Okay, come on, help me now. For int I is equals to what? Now I already we have used, right? A is equals to what? 1. I is less than or equals to what? Correct. A is less than or equals to star followed by A plus. Inside this, we have to print system dot out dot print star. We are going to print. Correct, na? Listen. Should I have to write star plus or star minus? Star plus, Again it is decreasing now. For that what I have to do? Simple. See, if how many times stars were increasing? How many times stars were increasing? 4 times increasing and 4 times decreasing. So what I do is I will write one condition. If what is that? I is less than or equals to y only 4. How many rows are there? 9 rows. How many rows are there? 9 rows. So up to half of it you have to increase. Then after that you have to decrease. So I will write I is less than or equals to half of the row r by 2. Half no. First half increase. Next half decrease. Problem solved now. Number of rows by 2. First half of the rows increase. Next half of the rows decrease. So I is less than or equals to half. Then what you should do? Star plus. First half you should increase. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Then after that star should decrease. In the else what you will write? Star minus. Is it clear now? Okay, after this new line. Don't forget that new line. System dot out dot print ln. Let us see is it going to work properly or not. Okay, condition. I will give here 9 rows. So we are getting correctly because 9 is odd. If 9 is odd means you will get one single row in the middle, sharp tip you will get. So let us see if I give odd, like sorry, even 10 if I give. So yeah, it's working properly, but what is happening to the last now? Last star? We are missing. We are missing there. Why is it not 10 rows? Star is reduced now. We don't have any star values to print. See, observe now what happened. If you write, listen, I'll show you. Compilation done, execution. What is this? 10 I have given. What is happening? I value is 1, less than or equals to 5, plus. So increased. Okay, I will show you. The condition what I have written is, just give me a minute. Try to understand the condition here. What I have written, if I value is less than or equals to r by 2 I have written. I will increase the thickness. Okay. I have written here, if I value is less than or equals to r by 2, what I am going to do? Star plus. Okay. Else what I have written? Star minus I have written. Okay. Observe now. We are going to trace this one. Listen everyone. I value is 1. 1 less than or equals to 5. 1 less than or equals to 5. True or false? Star increased. Correct? Then I became 2. 2 less than or equals to 5. Yes. Star increased. 3 less than or equals to 5. Yes. Star increased. Then 4 less than or equals to 5. Yes. Star increased. 5 less than or equals to 5. 5 less than or equals to 5. Yes. Then again star increased. You are getting how many stars? 6 stars you are getting, you see. Do you understand now? So what you are going to do? You should stop it at 5 only. The moment when it reaches 5, you should not increase. So now what I do? What another alternative I can is, I don't want to make it if it is half. So what I do is less than I will write. If I write less than, observe now. For 10 it will work properly because I am not going to increase if it is 5. If I give 10, see 10 it is working, but again here is what? 2 rows missed. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more row is missed, but you are getting the pattern. So in this case what happens? Number of rows should be odd. Number of rows should be, what do you tell me? Odd. If you get number of rows even, you cannot print this pattern. Do you understand now? Because you will not get sharp tip. You are not understanding? Don't worry. You have to have brain, and which is very rare. Okay, come on, listen. Rows are 3. How do you print 3 rows? Star, then star. Are you getting tip like this? Are you getting the tip here? Imagine R value is 4. First row, second row, third row, again fourth row. Are you getting any tip here? No. Do you understand now? So in this pattern you should have odd number of rows only. If user gives you even number of rows, you should tell them that please enter odd number of rows to print the pattern. Do you understand now? What you understood? If the number of rows are even, pattern will not form. That is why number of rows should be odd. So how do you do that? Listen. How do you do that? Very, very simple. Listen. Whole program is there now. Whole program I will cut it. I will write one condition. What is that? If, how do you find R is even? R modulus 2 is equal to 0. Then what I will say? System.out.println enter odd row number to form the pattern. Enter odd row number to form the pattern. Else, if he has given already odd number, then I will put my code here in the else block and I will close it. Is it clear now? Lay, did you understand or not understood? Very simple. If row number is even, we are going to tell them that you have to enter the odd number of rows only, otherwise pattern will not be formed. If they enter odd only, directly odd, then I will write my pattern here. Is it clear now? Come on, execute this one. See, now if I execute this, I'll just show you. Just give me execution part. If I give 9, there is no problem. We are getting the pattern. Yes or no? Okay. If I give 11, look at here. If I give 11, there is no problem. We are getting the pattern now. If I give suddenly even numbers like 10, what is this? Enter odd row number to form the pattern. Is it clear now? Come on, execute this. Make it quick. If there are even rows, that short tip will come. No sharp tip. That tip will not be formed. 1 star will not get. Either you have to sacrifice 1 row, or you have to sacrifice 1 star. If number of rows are even, pattern cannot be formed. That is the reason we are going to go for odd. हाँ हाँ, क्यों नहीं? सी हम चेक करना है ना. सी आप वो कंडीशन लास्ट में डाला, मतलब कंडीशन चेक करने से पहले आप क्या प्रिंट कर सकते हो क्या? नहीं ना. सो पहले हम कंडीशन चेक करना है. सो चेक कंडीशन मतलब कंडीशन को चेक करने के बाद ही हम क्या मैं प्रिंट करूँ या ना करूँ सोचना है. इसलिए सब क्या बोल रहे हो कि मैं पहले प्रिंट करूँगा, प्रिंट करने के बाद वो चेक करूँगा? नो. 4.5 అవుతుంది అంటే 4 వస్తుంది. సో ఐ లెస్ అవ్వదు. 4 టైమ్స్ మాత్రమే ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేయాలి కదా. ఆల్రెడీ మా దగ్గర 1 ఉంది. 1 ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేస్తే 2 వస్తుంది. 2 ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేస్తే 3 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక ఇంక్రిమెంట్, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఇంక్రిమెంట్, మళ్ళీ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు చూడు చాలా సింపుల్లో 4 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేస్తే నాకు 5 వస్తుంది, కరెక్టే. 5 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తే 6 వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. సో 6 వద్దు నాకు, అందుకే 4 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసి 5 తీసుకుంటా. 5 వచ్చినప్పుడు 6 చేయను, మళ్ళీ 4కి తీసుకొచ్చేస్తా. అందుకే 4 దాకా వెళ్ళకూడదు, 5 దాకా వెళ్ళకూడదు, 4కి స్టాప్ చేసేయాలి. डन. एल्स नहीं रहना चाहिए. एल्स में ओके वहाँ बोल रहा है क्या? स्टार माइनस 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 में यू डोंट हैव टू प्रिंट एनीथिंग. See, if this condition, star will increase, otherwise star will decrease, like that. Good. Got it? See, that is the point everyone understand. Odd number of rows are there, you can do it. If it is even, then it is not possible. Ah. Which pattern? Like this? Huh? I will teach that in the class. I think, see, now for me what I have to do, I have to understand all this program, I have to trace it also. So somewhere it is going wrong, you think. Don't split two programs. In one program you can do it. It is very easy. No, see, to tell this again I have to trace the whole program what you have written. So wait until I explain that. After that you can compare your code. Star plus plus in the else part, star minus minus. यहाँ क्या चाहिए आपको? नो क्या चाहिए? वो पिछले वो पैटर्न था है ना, इसका ऑपोजिट ऊपर नीचे. ओके, गो बैक टू देयर, आई विल चेक. ओके, इन्वर्टेड ट्रायंगल चाहिए आपको. इन्वर्टेड ट्रायंगल ये है ना. इन्वर्टेड ट्रायंगल का मतलब स्पेस 0 है, करेक्ट. स्टार इज इक्वल्स टू आर इंटू 2 माइनस 1, करेक्ट. आई इज इक्वल्स टू 1, आई इज इक्वल्स टू आर, आई प्लस प्लस, करेक्ट. ए इज इक्वल्स टू 1, ए इज लेस इक्वल टू स्पेस, ए प्लस प्लस, यू विल प्रिंट स्पेस. Then b is equals to 1, b is less than equal to star, b plus plus, you'll print star, space plus plus, star minus is equals to, correct only, no? Then check class name and file name, is it same? Make it as some other number, like example 100 I will give, pattern 100. See, file save as. One second, control 2, 5, 1 2 3 4 5 rows, but columns are here. What is happening? Space is not increasing and stars are not decreasing. Why? Space plus plus, space minus equals to, make it star. Nah, this is the problem. Star, now it is. Star plus is equals to 2. Now check it. 5 you give. Correct. No, it's okay, it's okay. No, leave it. I can cross it. You can divide it, but still pattern will not be formed. See, if you give 10 rows, so fifth row 5 stars should be printed 2 times. So then you will not get the exact middle value. No. See, if you have example, you assume. Uh-huh. Like that you can see. If you want, means if you do that, if you break it, then you'll get 9 rows. But I want 10 rows. That's what 10 value, no? That is the point. It is like, middle value of 9 is 10 row is not possible because like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 5 you should get. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 you should get. So 5 stars should be printed twice. If you do that, like tip you will not get. 1 star you will not get. That means that is not a pattern. See, whatever you do, it's very simple. Like 10 rows are there. First row 1, second row 2, third row 3, fourth row 4, fifth row 5, sixth row 5 only should come. 9 you are using. 9. Okay, 9. 10 is not possible. Then that is what I am telling. 10 is not possible. You have to go for 9 only. If you do that, then given number is 10, but we are printing 9. Then that is also wrong. No? That is what. కరెక్ట్. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడు, ఈ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే స్టార్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయ్యి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది, ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు? అవును కదా, అలా అవుతుంది అంత. ఇప్పుడు ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంట్ జస్ట్ నేను చెక్ చేస్తా. ఇంట్ ఆర్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు అని రాస్తా. ఆర్ ఏదో ఒకటిలే. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ప్లస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసి స్టోర్ చేయాలి కదా. ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తా ఫస్ట్, దెన్ స్టోర్ చేస్తా. సో ప్లస్ స్టార్ రాస్తాను. ఇయర్ మైనస్ స్టార్స్ రాస్తాను. చెక్. ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఫస్ట్ చేంజ్ అయ్యి కానీ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయి. గుడ్. అది ఆర్ అనేది ఒక డమ్మీ వేరియబుల్. ఓకే, హ్యావ్ యూ డన్ ఎవ్రీవన్? Okay, I hope you are ready with this. You have done this. Let's go to next question now. Pattern number 27. Last pattern of the day. Star. Okay, here we go. Perfect. This is the pattern. Previous was right side the y-axis. This is what? Left side of the y-axis. So left side of the y-axis space should be printed or not printed? Listen. Very simple. Same program what we have done, but you have to add extra space here. Same program, but you have to add extra space here. Same program, you have to add extra space here. Listen, don't write anything. Listen. In the first row, this is also same. If the row numbers are even, you cannot make you cannot get the pattern. Okay, that's one thing. Number of rows should be always odd. That is very very important. Okay, now next one more, listen. Extra space, no? How many spaces are there in the first row? 4. How do you get 4 space? 9 rows are there, but why are you getting 4 rows? Half of the number of rows. Half of 9 rows means half is 4.5, but you will get only 4 because integer by integer is what? Integer only. You will not get 4.5, you will get 4. So that's how we will start. Listen. Same program. Along with star, you have to have one more variable. What is that? Int space is equals to what? R by 2. 9 rows. 9 by 2 is what? 4. So 4 space like this. Is it clear now? Listen. One loop you have to print star now. Same like that. Before star only you should have space. First always print space, then you should go for star. So take a loop to print what? Space. So here we go. Star is removed. Here we have to have space. Then star is increasing means space should decrease. If star is decreasing means space should increase. Compilation. First let me go with even rows. 10 rows. You know that you will get enter odd number of rows to form a pattern. Then I'll go for 9. You are getting like this. What is the problem with this? What is the problem with this? Where is the problem with this? Space value is what? R by 2. But here I have written what? Star only. That I have to change because I have copy pasted. No, that's the reason. So copy paste I have done. That's the reason. So let's go back here. Then I will give 9. So you're going to get the pattern. Is it clear now? You give any odd number again like 11, you will get this. Monkeys. Same program, extra add space. Come on, execute it. Same program, it is just extra add space. This is the last program. This is the last program for the day. Rows should be always odd. Extra one more variable you have to have. Space. Star increasing means space should decrease. If stars are decreasing means space should increase. Opposite. See the diagram, you will come to know. Stars are increasing or decreasing, you will come to know very easy. So whole day we have done only 4 patterns today. Today we have done only 4 patterns. Make it quick, come on. Execution done. Another 5 minutes I will be giving you. Come on, close it up. Very easy it is. Your duty is what? You have to complete practicing of these 4 patterns. Today at any cost, okay? Execution, is it done? स्पेस और स्टार दोनों में हाँ हम ले सकते हैं, because this is going to be, this is a variable which is declared inside this for loop and it is used only within that. Variables which are declared within the for loop cannot be used outside. So this a is only for this for loop and this a is only for this for loop. Variables which are declared inside a loop are used only inside the loop. You cannot use it outside. So this for loop is having its own a variable and this for loop is having its own variable. No issues. But when you use outer loop, see outer loop is having I and inner loop again if you use I, then it is a problem. If you are getting confused, then you can change it to B then. B is equals to 1, B is less than equals to star followed by B plus plus. No issues. Everyone, execution done. Come on, make it quick. Come on. Okay, listen now. First we have learned this pattern. Do you remember this? First we have learned this pattern. Okay, let us name according to that. So this is 1, this is 2, then we have learned this one 3 and then we have learned 4. I have just numbered them so that you will remember. Okay now. So let's start explaining now related to this now. Listen now, very simple. In pattern number 1 and 2, in pattern number 1 and 2, you don't have to use if else, because stars are continuously decreasing or stars are continuously increasing. Spaces will be continuously decreasing or space will be continuously increasing. If else will not be there. So let us check. If you are going with the pattern 1, this lower triangle, listen, pattern 1, what should happen to space? Space should decrease. What should happen to stars? Star should increase by 2. Correct? Opposite to it means the other triangle. Here what should happen? Space, very nice, space plus plus. What should happen to star? Star minus is equals to 2. These two are over. You don't have to use if else, else if and all. Okay. If else you have to use only in the left side and right side, because stars are increasing up to certain point and later on stars are decreasing. That is the reason. Okay. Listen now. I am going to talk about left side first. Left side you don't have to print space. You know it. Here we are not printing spaces. The condition is very simple. If I value is less than or equals to r by 2. Correct? What we should do? What about the stars? Star plus plus. This is if. Then else. Else is what? star minus minus. This is left side diagram. Okay, now right side diagram, if you go, means you will have space also there. Right side you will have what? Space also. How do you write here again? If I is less than or equals to r by 2. What is this now? Here it is. Same. Star plus plus. Correct. There is no problem. But along with star plus plus, you have to have, yes, space minus minus. In else opposite to it. In else opposite to it. What is this now? Star minus minus. What about space? If you know this diagram, you can easily do all the 4 patterns. Do you understand now? If else will be there only in the left triangle and right triangle. Top bottom triangle, if else is not there, because in top and bottom stars will be continuously growing and stars will be continuously decreasing. Same thing with respect to space. Is it clear now? Everyone understood? So this diagram, what I do is I will take a snap of it and I am going to put it in the notes. Snipping tool. Snap means not that snap, ra. Where a level you are. This file save as on desktop. Here I'll write. Okay, that's it then. Insert picture desktop A1. Perfect. Okay, is it clear now? Everyone understood today's class? Today's class we have done only 4 programs. 4 programs only. Still many programs are there. We have reached up to where you tell me, up to 27. Still few programs are there. We will be doing it. I told you, this whole week patterns we will go now. Practice all the 4 patterns. Okay now? Okay, good then. That's enough for the day. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great time. Hey, monkeys. For everything you are clapping.